Yo, yeah, fam, what's going on, Tank? Yeah, I'm good still. Yo, fam, I was thinking that we should do a collab or something. Yeah, for the 2Slow. Oh, word? You can make me one? But how am I gonna get it? Yeah, but how soon is it gonna get here, bro? 2 days? No, Amazon can barely get me my shit in 2 days, dog. What you mean go? How? VTech? What do you mean VTech? They're from Cornwall Customs. Let's open up and see what they sent us. Too slow. They both the same. Yeah, nice. I'll slap those on tomorrow in the morning. Again, I want to say shout out to Cornwall Customs. If you're in the Toronto GTA area, Brampton, Mississauga, holla at my boy Lonnie. I'll have his information in the end of the video and also in the description. If you want any custom stickers, shirts, hoodies, anything, you got you. Alright. Now, what you're going to need is you're going to need paper towel and glass cleaner. I'm going to be sticking it right here. Just gotta clean that spot up. Peel away the back of the sticker. Stick it on. Let's get it. There you go, guys. After you clean the surface, you peel the back of the transfer paper off. Stick it on as straight as you can. And then you can use a card or whatever. Press it down so it sticks to the glass properly. And then once you're confident that it's stuck all the way, you just peel it back slowly. Clean, fam. Cornwall Customs. Shout out to you, fam. Alright, that's one side done. I'm gonna hit the next side, but that side's in traffic, so I'm probably not gonna tape it. Alright.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a
Yo, I've been through heartaches, I've been through pain. I've seen enough struggles and I've been through strain. Sure as the Lord fall rain, so things soon change. And when the money run, you know I can't move strange. Cause I was born as a winner.